Welcome to Setting Up a OneNote Staff Notebook, a OneNote guide for educators. In this interactive guide, you'll see how to set up a OneNote staff notebook, add custom sections to staff members' private workspaces, and add or remove notebook users and co-owners. Let's walk through a demonstration of a OneNote staff notebook. To navigate this interactive guide, follow the prompts on the screen or use your forward and back arrows. The staff notebook is designed to facilitate collaboration, content sharing, and private feedback with your staff, and you can find it in Microsoft Teams. From the Office 365 homepage at office.com, open Teams. Let's start by creating a new staff team. Each staff team you create comes with a built-in OneNote staff notebook. To set up a staff team, click or tap Staff. Next, give the team a name. Next, type or paste in the names of staff members to add them to the team. As the staff leader who creates the team, you are its owner and also the owner of the team's staff notebook. As the owner, you will be able to see and edit every section of the notebook. If you choose, you can add other staff members as owners to give them the same permissions as you. Ideal co-owners are assistant principals, guidance counselors, or other school leaders. Let's add another owner to this team. Now our staff team is ready to go. Let's set up the staff notebook. Click or tap the Staff Notebook tab. The first time you visit the tab, you'll be guided through a few steps to set up the notebook. In this case, let's start with a blank notebook. Staff notebooks are automatically provisioned with 3 section groups, each with unique permissions. There's a collaboration space, a content library, and private notebooks for staff members. Click or tap Next to continue. Private notebooks contain a few sections by default, but you can always add or remove sections. In this case, let's add a custom section. Click or tap Add Section, and then follow the prompts. Next, click or tap Create. When the staff notebook is ready, members can start using it in Teams right away. They can also choose to open it in OneNote for the web or in the OneNote app. Let's open the notebook in the app. Each staff notebook includes a welcome section. You can refer to this later if you get stuck. Let's take a quick look at the different section groups. The collaboration space is great for shared work since the entire staff can add and edit content freely. For instance, you might use the collaboration space to share staff meeting notes. The content library is like a filing cabinet where you can put read-only materials for your staff to view and copy. And each staff member's notebook is a private workspace that only that staff member and any staff leaders can see. Here's the custom event planning section that we added to each staff member's private notebook during setup. Let's add some event planning content. First, go to the section. Next, let's name this page. You can add all kinds of content. In this case, let's insert a PDF printout. During the course of a school year, new staff members may be hired or leave to pursue other opportunities. If you need to edit members or their permissions, you can easily do that in Teams. Let's add a couple new members. To add a new staff member, click or tap the More Options button next to the team name. That's the button with 3 dots. Select Add Member. Enter the staff member's name and click or tap Add. Now let's add a second new member and make them an owner. Click or tap the Member drop-down and select Owner. Now this staff team member has full permissions to view and edit content in every section of the team staff notebook. You've just practiced how to set up a OneNote staff notebook, add custom sections to staff members' private work,